Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Bearwin's Corny Doggy franchise business package ideas. Bearwin's Corny Doggy offers affordable and best-tasting premium corn dog in town located at the heart of Taytay Rizal. Owned and managed by comedian actor and TV host Bearwin Mayley and his wife Lara May Mayley. Bearwin's Corny Doggy was first started on September 2020 at the peak of the pandemic lockdown. Because of the crisis due to COVID-19 pandemic, Bearwin together with his wife decided to put up an online selling business selling their very own homemade corn dog. Many people begin to recognize their products because of the social media and their business become truly successful until they both decided to finally launch their first physical store in Taytay Rizal. Today, Bearwin's Corny Doggy are planning to expand their business more through franchising opportunities. Corny Doggy products. Corn dog is the best tasting corn dog in Jumbo Chicken Franks. Corn Pops. This is the 3 pieces mini corn dogs. Super Doggy. This is the king size premium corn dog and which is the best seller. Mix Pops. This is the 3 pieces chicken franks and cheddar cheese inside, also a best seller. Cheese Pop. 3 pieces cheddar cheese in cornbread. And lastly, Corneos. 4 pieces fried Oreo cookies. For the franchise packages, the franchise package is worth 250,000 pesos all in. The package includes food cart kiosk or mall type kiosk, uniforms, trainings, LED signage, equipment and utensils, initial products, promotional materials, opening day assistance, social media marketing tools, and tips and guidance from Mr. Bearwin Mayley himself. For the franchise procedure, number 1, contact Bearwin Mayley and inquire for the franchise package and additional informations on Bearwin's Corny Doggy by calling or sending an email. Second, you may visit their Taytay Rizal branch and have an inquiry on their franchise business offer. What to consider when franchising Bearwin's Corny Doggy? Number 1, make sure that you really want to own this franchise and this will best fit your venture among other offered business opportunities. Number 2, be certain that you can work harmoniously with Bearwin's Corny Doggy franchise and it is within your interest. A visit to one of the franchise store will help you be more aware of operation and proceedings. Number 3, carefully study the terms and conditions, franchise agreement, and what are included in franchising Bearwin's Corny Doggy. Number 4, check if Bearwin's Corny Doggy franchise will be compatible with the rules and regulation as well as existing laws on chosen location. Number 5, best location is one key aspect to have a successful Bearwin's Corny Doggy franchise. Study the environment and see if your business suits the surroundings. For the contact details, you may contact Bearwin's Corny Doggy with the address 2nd floor, Octagon Fashion Strip and Food Hub, Don Hilario Cruz Avenue, Taytay Rizal, Philippines. You may call their mobile number 0998-854-3432 or 0915-434-8011. You can send them an email at cornydoggy2020@gmail.com. You may also visit their Facebook page at Bearwin's Corny Doggy. Also, for their Instagram account, CornyDoggy2020. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Bearwins Corny Doggy today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.